Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can cutting song in the CapCut apps. So I will open my project, and to cut a song, you are just going to select audio below, and you can select zone. So you can get a song from TikTok, you can get song from your files or from the video by extracted the sound, and then you can also getting from your library, or you can get a song from the CapCut available here. So just download it and just add to the track by clicking the add icon. Just click. So the song has been added to your video. Okay, so easy, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.